Meghalaya today joined the rest of the country to observe the 11th National Voters' Day with enthusiasm. Where photo identity cards were given to first-time voters at the National Voters' Day program organized at the district headquarters and civil subdivisions across the state. The 11th National Voters' Day marks the foundation of the Election Commission of India, which came into existence in 1950. This day was first celebrated in 2011 to encourage young voters to take part in the electoral process. No doubt it is a day to celebrate the right to vote and also the democracy of India. Election Commission's main objective is to increase the enrollment of voters, especially the eligible ones. The song Imagine by John Lennon set the tone for the National Voters' Day. In Shillong, the office of the district election officers observed the day with officials along with participation of representatives from different political parties on how to further improve the electoral process. The program commenced with the voters' pledge administered by the district election officer, Ms. Isawanda Lalu. Some of the leaders belonging to political parties gave their views on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, said, "The right to vote in a democratic country like India is a right of every citizen, and this right cannot be denied on grounds of caste, creed, religion, or race."
Having abiding faith.
The program was marked with song rendition by booth-level officer Sanat Basaimoy, who is an actor, scriptwriter, and songwriter.
To all the EACs, EDM, and the BLO, and of course our friends political parties who are here, which I know them also. So once again, every now and then, whatever we used to come invited by the district election officer here to talk about problems and grievances of the electorates and the polling stations that to be added to make more easier for the people in the far areas in the East Khasi Hills districts. So again, now last time we have had there Asam Musti, and this time again thanks. So we would just like to remind that in the effort that we have to bring more electorate, and especially in this I have seen that day which have given us the CDs on that final electoral rules summit.
Of trying to give the people of the state free and fair elections. Though today I can see that the theme is to making our voters empowered, vigilant, safe, and informed. These themes are got the deep implications in them, and through these themes, which the officials, which the commission has taken up, in order to achieve a major objective of achieving free and fair elections.